Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Angelo Christian Financial, your direct mortgage lender, where America goes for funding. Thank you so much for watching the show and the podcast this morning. Love cappuccino. So this morning we're actually talking about private lending. Private lending is a space that's been emerging, for the last decade, and for one of the first times ever, private lending is actually outperforming standard lending, conventional lending by over 900%. There's more people getting private loans because speed to capital, ease of transaction, faster funding. We're a direct nationwide lender. We do commercial, we do residential, we do private lending. Sometimes it makes more sense to do a private loan. What is a private loan? Basically, it's more considered like an asset-based loan, not based off of your credit. It doesn't meet the requirements usually of a conventional loan. For many different reasons, whether the property doesn't meet the requirements, your financial situation, but there's still lenders out there that are willing to help you, if it's in the right situation. Usually if the property has a lot of equity, that's a great scenario. If the property has a lot of equity, then there's an opportunity for you to get funding. For example, if the property is worth $500,000 and you need a loan for $250,000, and maybe the property is in bad condition, but you're going to fix it up, that's a good example of private lending that can come in, give you the funding to refinance, cash out, fix up the property, get you a loan. Or maybe your credit's not the best right now. So maybe you need a loan on your real estate and your credit's not the best. Maybe you went through an issue with COVID or whatever happened. That's where private lending is really going to come into play and really help you out. And then the other thing is that, it doesn't mean you have to stay on that loan because, obviously with private lending, they are going to be higher rates. There's going to be more closing costs, but it helps you to get the job done and solve the problem. So the thing is that it can help you, get you the funding, get you the loan, and then later on you can move it to a different program. So you don't marry the loan. You marry the property, you date the loan, and you bridge out to a different program. So if we can help you, like I said, give us a call, text us, Angelo Christian, your direct nationwide lender, 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen, guys.